All right, so what do you think, Lotus?
So what are we doing here?
We are gonna take the tint off of my windows.
What do we got here?
All right. Heat gun,
yeah.
baby. Heat gun.
Yeah, baby.
Deadly.
You got a razor blade on you?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Come off a little easier.
Put those up
yeah,
there.
bud.
Oh,
You won't
deadly.
even eat it. Just get it nice and warm, and she just comes right off.
Oh yeah.
I mean, leave a little strip there, but
Oh, whatever. Yeah, if we can get the majority of off. There's a high mode too.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby.
oh yeah,
We're like tint professionals now, right?
yeah. Professionals at removing tint. Little bits at a time.
Straight up deadly, dog.
So if you ever gotta remove your tint,
Get a heat
use
gun.
a heat gun. Yeah.
Yeah, get a heat gun.
Look at the position I'm in. I'm just like, just leaning on it because I don't want to let go of it in case it.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh,
Oh no.
I swear it a couple times there.
That's okay. This comes right off.
Ah.
Ooh.
Oh, Blatsky.
Hey.
You got clean windows again.
We're legal now-ish. Not that it
This
was
little bit.
super dark tint, but
Well, it was kind of dark.
well, it's yeah, or what was it? Yeah, 20%.
20%?
20%.
20%. Comrade.
So a little bit lighter than the 5% on the back, obviously. And then I have no tint on my back window. So I'm gonna take all of it off. Another day, we're just gonna do the front windows for now. Because Alex is a friggin' god. Tint removing god.
Yep.
Deadly,
So,
dude.
yeah, you guys got any tint you need to take off? Yeah, just hit me up.
Yeah.
I got you.
Come to Canada, the true north strong and freezing.
That's us.
Yeah. Look how bad my headlights are. My gosh.
No, they're fine. They're fine.
That shouldn't be there.
Am I okay to like drape this cord over top of your car?
Go for it.
She's a little short there, but.
She's not a supercar yet. Probably never. Oh. It's weird to be in the passenger seat.
Right? I always get that feeling whenever I'm in my own cars. It's like, why am I in the passenger seat?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And I need to get that fixed. Yeah, look how like
Oh man, that's ripped.
yeah, well it's just the stitches are ripped. There's a little part. Yeah, a couple parts that are ripped.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm a professional. Takes no effort.
Oh yeah, sitting on the center console. Oh.
I know exactly what I'm doing. Except for not really. Okay, yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing.
It shot him! It shot him!
Oh. Car enthusiast down. Car enthusiast down.
You're going to come up? Yes? No? Maybe? Yes?
Yes. How did they do this?
Well, when he did it, he had all the door panels off.
Oh, I see. That is how you
So
know
we
you did a
can-
good tint job.
It was free. It was terrible. Sorry if the guy sees that, but you did a terrible job. I was gonna pay you. I was gonna pay you, but then you didn't come back and do my back window, so I said no. So I said nah.
Nah.
I will get it done by professional.
Okay, this is getting real tough here. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sweet, dude,
Yeah.
sweet.
Oh.
Here, get that heat gun on it again.
Okay, watch your hands. Watch your hands! That tint doesn't smell too good when you
No,
heat it up.
it's terrible.
You okay? Is that burning you
No.
slightly?
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah! Woo!
We got her!
The easiest job in the entire world.
Yep.
We made it look easier.
We gotta get a little bit of Windex or something. to get the
Glass
rest of that
cleaner.
off.
I will run and get that right now. Super simple, easy, quick job. I have to wipe those lines off, but that's pretty much it. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick tear down of this shelf. Then we're gonna use the 2x4s for stuff around the house. So yeah. a little funky. But yeah, we got the shelf tear down. So I go pick up Alex. We're here at the wonderful something, and he's got a solid,
I've got ample leg room, dude. I'm good.
like a solid 4 inches of leg room, because we got this beast back here, a nice ladder.
You know, I can't really turn to look at the camera too easily, but oh, there we go. Yeah, no, this is okay.